Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Major Partagaz minifigure. Firstly, you're going to want this Imperial TIE Pilot minifigure. I decided to take the hips from Syndrome. The torso I used came from Admiral Yularen. My head of choice came from Admiral Pride. And finally, the hair I used came from Doc Brown. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. I'm quite happy with the result for this minifigure. I wanted to update this tutorial because in my previous one I didn't even know who the character was. If you found this video useful, make sure you're subscribed and have liked the video so it can get out to more people, and an idea is always welcome.